So here we have just arrived into the Elite Audio stockroom. The beautiful and immaculate Macintosh MA7200. It's pre-owned, it's one owner from new. It has the original box and packing. You don't find these very often on the used market, I have to say, and this one is in exceptional condition. It sounds great. The provenance on it is, as we say, one owner from new. It really is a thing of beauty. It literally arrived yesterday, and I'm sure it won't be long until this finds its way into someone's listening room. A very lucky new owner, I have to say. Anyway, beautiful amplifier, come with 12 months parts and labour warranty, and a great opportunity.